Garret from Garrett's Guitar Lessons here, and today we're going to be talking about funk and pop slash chords. Now we've talked about slash chords before, when we take a chord like C, and we make the lowest note of the C chord an E note, that would then be a C slash E. So that's essentially how we get it. What's on the left is going to be the chord, C, and what's going to be on the right is going to be the lowest note. Now what's interesting about these are going to be something like G slash A, or C slash D, or F slash G, is that they're most commonly used as kind of dominant substitutes. Okay, so what I mean by that is that instead of maybe playing an A7, I would play a G slash A. And then a common movement would be turning that into an A7 flat 9, and then moving it to the tonic chord. Alright, so first I'm going to talk about the slash chords. I'm going to be talking about it from the 6th string root. So this is going to be my third finger, it's going to be on the A note, the 5th string, or the 5th fret on the 6th string. My third finger is also kind of muting that 5th string right there. My pinky is going to be on the 4th string, 5th fret. My second finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and my first finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That is going to be my G chord. Here's my G, kind of triad right there. My A on the bass. And then to move to the A7 flat 9, I'm going to be moving both my first and second finger back. 1 fret each. So now my first finger's on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Third finger's on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. My pinky and 3rd finger are unchanged. 4th string, 5th fret, and 5th fret on the 6th string. Now that stretch right there is pretty tough, this low on the neck, but we can move it anywhere and it's exactly the same. This would be a C slash D, because again it's a C chord with a D on the bass. What's cool about this is that my lowest note is going to be my dominant chord that it's subbing for. So for example, up here on the 10th fret, this would be a substitute for a D7, so that means I would kind of go back to a G chord right there. Alright, so instead of a dominant chord, you can use these. Now for the 5th string root, I'm using any finger. I'm using my first finger here, but you can use any finger. It's going to be 1 finger across 4 strings. So here's my 5th fret, and I'm going to be using 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. Alright, then we're going to just a dominant flat 9 chord. So now my first finger is going to be moving back 1 fret to the 4th string. My second finger is going to be on our root note right there, our 5th string, 5th fret, the D. My third finger is going to be on the 5th fret on the 3rd string, while my first finger is on the 4th and 2nd string on the 4th fret. So it'd be a C chord with a D at the base, C slash D, and a D7 flat 9. Now again, this is going to be a kind of substitute for a D7, so then I can just go to a G chord after that. Since a lot of funk and pop music happen on the upper register of the guitar, I thought it'd be helpful to include a 4th-string voicing as well. Now, this example is going to be taking place on the 5th fret, which would be a G. So this is going to be a substitute for like a G7 to a C. And so my first finger is going to be barred on the bottom 4 strings on the 5th fret. 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. My second finger is going to be on the 6th fret, 2nd string. Now, a way to think about this is it's kind of like that F chord is going to be right here as a D shape, but then I need to move my first finger over here. No sense having all those fingers do that work though, so let's go back to my original fingering. Then we're going to a G7 flat 9. Now this is going to be, my second finger is now going to replace where my first finger was, so now I'm on the 4th string, 5th fret with my second finger. My first finger is now barred on the bottom 3 strings, 3rd and 1st and 2nd too, but on the 4th fret. My pinky is going to go on the 2nd string, 6th fret. So here we go. F slash G, G7 flat 9 to a C, or C major 7. Well, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And also be sure to check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources. I have play-alongs of all sorts of different chords, chord progressions that you could try substituting some of these slash chords instead of the dominant chords over so you can get a feel on using them, and all sorts of cool stuff. So thank you so much and have a great day.